Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. I welcome you all in your new class, class 9, and I hope you are ready to learn new things. So, our first chapter of physics, as you know that I am your physics and maths teacher and it's your physics class. So, our first chapter of physics is physical quantities and measurements. So, before starting our topics, we will discuss some definitions regarding this chapter. Number one definition is science. That what is science? Science is the knowledge gained through observation and experimentation is called science. हर वो इल्म जो हम गौर व फिक्र करके और तजर्बात के ज़रिए से हासिल करते हैं उसे साइंस कहा जाता है. As you know that with the development of science, science has divided into many branches. So its very important branch is physics, and we will discuss the definition of physics and its importance and branches of physics in this video. So first we will see the definition of physics. In physics we study matter, energy and their interaction. So what is matter? Everything which occupies space and have mass is called a matter. So how many states of matter are there? How we can convert one form of matter or state of matter into another? What is energy? What are the types of energies? What are the forms of energies? And what is the relationship between matter and energy? All these things will be studied in physics. Now the role of physics in our daily life. In our daily life, we hardly find a device where physics is not involved. For example, all the electrical appliances you use at your home are working on the principle of physics. All the transportation, the vehicles, aeroplanes, all these things are also working on the principle of physics. The communication system. So, in simple words, we can say that all the things which we use in our daily life are working on the principle of physics. So physics play a very important role in our daily life. Now we will discuss some branches of physics. So number one branch of physics is mechanics. In mechanics, girls and boys, we will study about the motion of the body, the cause of the motion and the effects of the motion. In heat, in this branch we will discuss the nature of the heat, how heat is transferred from one body to another and what are the modes of transfer of heat. Third one is sound. It deals with the physical aspects of sound waves, how sound waves are produced, how sound waves travel from one material to another and what are the properties of sound. All these things will be studied in sound. Number 4 is light and optics. In this branch of physics, we will study about the physical aspects of light, its properties, working and how we use light into optical instruments and working of optical instruments will be studied in light. Electricity and magnetism. What is electricity? The rate of flow of negative charges is called electricity. So when we will discuss the motion of the charges, their effects and their relationship with magnetism, then this branch will be called electricity and magnetism. Atomic physics. As you know that in nature everything is made up of an atom. So when we will discuss the particles of an atom, the behavior of atom, the structure of an atom, then the branch will be called atomic physics. Nuclear physics. Atom has a very important main part that is called nucleus and it has two particles, protons and neutrons, and when we will discuss these two particles and the behavior of the nucleus and the nature of the nucleus, then the branch will be called nuclear physics. Plasma physics. What is plasma? The fourth state of matter is called plasma and students, it is an ionic state, means atoms are found in the form of ions in this state of matter. So when we will discuss how we can produce plasma and what are the properties of plasma, then the branch will be called plasma physics. Geophysics. The meaning of word geo means earth. So the meaning clear, the definition of geophysics, that in this branch of physics we will discuss the structure, internal structure of an earth. So these are the branches of physics. We have already learned about the importance of physics, the definition of physics. So I hope branches, definition, importance of physics, all these things are clear to all of you.